Ever struggled with squeaky hinges or sticky locks? Tired of messy lubricants that attract dust everywhere? I used to dread fixing garage doors and noisy pulleys. Nothing lasted long and everything felt greasy. Then I found WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant. This isn't your average spray, it's professional grade. Experts trust it for serious protection and long-lasting results. It works on metal, rubber, plastic, vinyl, almost anything. Cables, locks, hinges, valves, you name it. The Smart Straw lets you spray two ways, no mess. Just flip the straw up for precise streams, down for wide coverage. Watch this. Quick spray on my rusty lock. It dries fast, leaves a clear film, no sticky residue, no dirt buildup. Just smooth, protected surfaces. Even under extreme temperatures, it keeps working. From 100 degrees to 500 degrees, it stands strong. That's serious durability for any climate. And it's VOC compliant in all 50 states. Safety standards? WD-40 is famous for them. I use it in my shop, garage, and around the house. Locks and chains move freely, no more squeaks. Hinges and pulleys glide like new. Valves and cables stay rust-free and smooth. Compared to other brands, it lasts 2x longer and gives 5x greater wear protection. Less time reapplying, more time getting things done. No sticky mess, just clean, dry protection. Perfect for DIYers, pros, and homeowners alike. If you want reliable, professional results, this is it. One can covers hundreds of uses. Locks, chains, pulleys, hinges, valves, cables. It's truly multi-surface and multi-purpose. Just shake, spray, and watch it work. See how smoothly this hinge moves now? No more annoying squeaks or jams. And look, no greasy fingerprints left behind. It dries clear, so everything looks clean and fresh. Even outdoor gear stays protected from rain and rust. I use it on my bike chain before every ride. It keeps everything running smoothly, longer. No need to constantly reapply. Just one spray and you're set for weeks. It's my go-to for quick fixes and long-term care. WD-40 Specialist saves time and effort every day. So easy, anyone can use it. No special skills needed. Just grab the can, flip the straw, and spray. Done in seconds, protected for months. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Choose WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant today. Experience pro-level results at home. Protect, lubricate, and waterproof in one step. No sticky residue, no hassle. Get more done with less effort. Your gear deserves the best protection. Try WD-40 Specialist and see the difference. Pick up your can now and get started.